We gather around this old campfire, my friend. A million stars are singing in the sky. The stories that have carried us to now. Come together, come together.
So what does reconciliation mean to you?
Reconciliation means to me that it's building friendships and just connecting people around.
Hey Peter, what does reconciliation mean to you?
Yes, I think it's like forgiving the mistakes in the past, or we can recuperate the words of history, and now we can connect together and have a better society.
Nice, thanks. Hey Robert, when it comes to reconciliation, what would you like to see more of?
Like learning about Aboriginal culture and history, like instead of just past.
Hey Paul, Rawa, what does the land mean to you?
A place we need to protect.
Thanks. Hey Carson, what would you like to see more of?
I would like to see more Aboriginal art in the community.
Awesome, thanks. What do you see when you look at the land around you?
A place that has history for all Aboriginals.
Nice. Hey Talia, what does reconciliation mean to you?
It means people helping each other out and understanding one another.
Thank you. Angel, what does reconciliation mean to you?
People coming together after problems.
Awesome. Hey, so what does reconciliation mean to you?
Working together to build a better future.
Thank you. Hey Noah, what does respect look like or mean to you?
Helping others when they need it.
Helping others when they need it? Awesome. So Nick, what do you think respect looks like or means to you?
It's when treating everyone the same no matter where they're from.
Walk away, come together, been dreaming of a better day. Sing the song, tell the story of this land. Everybody come together. Oh, oh, oh. Come together. Oh, oh, oh. I listen as you tell me of the scars here on this land that holds your blood and tears. The spirits of the past and Mulga spire.